Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. I am making this video because apparently the last video I made on this watch, I totally forgot to show everyone how to remove the stem and crown, and I know people are very interested because this kind of watch is a little bit difficult to figure out that because of the fact that you don't remove the movement from the back. It is a solid case. So what you have to do is you have to remove the bezel first, which I showed in my last video, in order to get to the movement. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. Also in this video, I'm going to show you a piece of equipment I use. It's a capacitor charger that helps me with my Citizen Echo Drive repairs. You know, it helps me decide, or helps me see if possibly it's a battery or a movement that needs to be replaced. So I will show that later on in this video. So let's show you how to remove the stem and crown. So very simple. After you remove the bezel, you actually will see a little gold tab right here. That's what you want to push in order to release the stem and crown. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And this watch is from my junk pile. So as you can see, I'm not wearing any finger cots or any, rubber gloves. So if you're working on somebody else's watch or your own watch, highly recommend that you wear finger cots or a rubber glove or rubber gloves. So this is what you do. You basically push in on this tab right here. And that right there releases the stem and crown. So it is that simple to do. And also let me show you that piece of equipment that I was talking about. This right here is a capacitor charger. So what you do is you take your battery and you put it underneath the alligator clip. You clip it down, and what happens is you'll see this right here. It will be very dim, and then this light will be very bright once the capacitor is fully charged. So that speeds up the time for you to tell if it is a movement or if it's battery. Also, you don't have to put the Echo Drive on your front of your window and let the sun shine on it for hours and then find out it really wasn't the battery, it was the movement or whatever. So this definitely speeds up the process, and highly recommend this piece of equipment. Also, if you're new to my channel, if you're new to watchmaking, you've never opened a watch before, you want to get into it, and you're very interested in quartz watch repair, I do have an ebook that I made that will help you get started. And I put the link in the description below. And just a heads up, this book is for the absolute beginner. If you have any experience in quartz watch movements, repairs, or any kind of watch repairs, this book is not for you. I mean, you can still purchase it if you just want some reference stuff, but like I said, this book is for the absolute beginner. So it is in the links in the description below. And also, please subscribe, like, comment to my channel. Any kind of comments of videos you want to see in the future, definitely let me know, because I'm always looking for ways to help people learn the art of watchmaking. So like I said, like this video, subscribe, comment, hit the notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.